problem. Solve the system of equations 2x minus y minus z equal to 2, x plus 2y plus z equal to 2 and 4x minus 7y minus 5z equal to 2 using Gauss elimination method. This is the system of non-homogeneous linear equations. First we write the matrix form. Listen, matrix form. In matrix form, first write the coefficient matrix. Listen, first equation 2x minus y minus z. Second equation 1x, 2y, 1z. Third equation 4x minus 7y minus 5z into the unknown matrix, the column matrix x, y, z equal to the constant matrix. Constant matrix is here 2. In this equation 2, here also 2. 2, 2, 2. Then write the augmented matrix AB. Augmented matrix AB. What is A? A is the coefficient matrix. What is B? B is the constant matrix. The elements of A and B are written side by side. Combine A and B, we get the augmented matrix. That is 2 minus 1 minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 minus 7 minus 5, 2. This is the augmented matrix AB. Then convert this matrix to upper triangular matrix. Listen, convert augmented matrix to upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. The augmented matrix AB equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 minus 7 minus 5, 2. Augmented matrix. Then, what is the diagonal? Diagonal, first element in the first column or first row, second element in the second row, third element in the third row. This is the diagonal. Then below the diagonals, these places will be zeros. So, first we convert the first element of the first row will be 1. Listen, here 1. So, we exchange this interchange first row and second row. Elementary transformation. First step in the elementary transformation, interchange 2 rows. That is R1 and R2 interchange. That is 1, 2, 1, 2. We write R2 in R1 place. It's 1, 2, 1, 2. Then 2 minus 1 minus 1, 2. Last one 4 minus 7 minus 5, 2. This is diagonal. Then convert. First we convert this place. This 2 will be 0 and this 4 will be 0. Here 2 minus 2 into diagonal element 1. 2 minus 2 into 1 means 2 in R2. That is R2 gives R2 minus 2 R1. This is the transformation. 2 minus 2 into 1 means 2 in R2, 1 in R1. So R2 minus 2 R1. Then here 4 minus 4 into 1. That is R3 gives R3 minus 4 R1. 4 minus 4 into 1. 4 in R3. R3 minus 4 into R1. Okay. That is, listen, R2 minus 2 R1. What is R2? 2 minus 1 minus 1, 2. Minus 2 R1. What is R1? Corresponding R1s 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. That is 2 minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Then minus 1. Here minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Here minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Then 2 minus 2 into 2, 4, which is minus 2. That is first element, first row, same 1, 2, 1, 2. Second row is 0, minus 5, minus 3, minus 2. Then third row, the transformation is R3 gives 4R1. What is R3? 4 minus 7 minus 5, 2 minus 4 corresponding R1s 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So we get 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Minus 7 minus 4 into 2, 8. That is minus 15. Then 5 minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. Then 2 minus 8 is minus 6. That is 0, minus 15, minus 9, minus 6. Then this is diagonal. One more place. Non-zero number minus 15. So we convert this minus 15 to 0. Listen. It's minus 15. So first we convert the diagonal element in that column is 2 place. This place. First we convert this place to 1. That is minus divided by minus 5. This minus 5 will be 1 means minus 5 by minus 5. That is R2 gives R2 by minus 5. That is R1 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, minus 5 by minus 5 is 1, minus 3 by minus 5. That is 3 by 5. Then minus 2 by minus 5 is 2 by 5. Then R3 0, minus 15, minus 9, minus 6. Then that is, listen, I will write one more time. It's minus by minus is positive. 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, 1. This is 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Last one, 0, minus 15, minus 9, minus 6. Then convert this minus 15 to 0. Minus 15 to 0 means R3. This minus 15 plus 15 R1. 15 R2. So minus 15 plus 15 into 1. That is, listen, minus listen, this minus 15 minus 15 into 1. That is R3 gives R3 plus 15 R2. This is R2. This is R3. That is R3 plus 15 R2. Listen, R1 same 1, 2, 1, 2. Then second R2 0, 1, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Okay. Last one is 0, minus 15, minus 9, minus 6, plus. Here the symbol is plus 15, 15, 15, 15. R2 is 0, 1 into 0, here 1, then 3 by 5, again 2 by 5. 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Listen, 0 plus 15 into 0. 15 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Then minus 15 plus 15, 0. Here, listen, this 5, 15, here 3. That is minus 9 plus 3 into 3. What is 3 into 3? 9. Minus 9 plus 9 is 0. Then here 5 and 15. Here we get 3. 3 into 2, 6. Minus 6 here plus 6. Here again 0. All the elements in the third row are zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. Listen. This is upper triangular matrix. Diagonal. Below the diagonal elements are zeros. Then back substitution, we write the linear equations. What are the linear equations? This is x, 1x plus 2y plus 1z equal to 2. Then 0x plus 0y plus 3 by 5 z equal to 2 by 5. What is last equation? 0x plus 0y plus 0z equal to 0. That is here only two equations. There are only two equations. That is x plus 2y plus z equal to 2, and one mistake, this is 1y. 0x plus 1y plus 3 by 5 z equal to 2 by 5. We get only two equations. Here the variables, number of variables, listen. Number of variables is x, y and z. Three variables. Number of variables is 3. Number of equations, here two equations only. That is, number of variables is greater than the number of equations. That is, we cannot get a unique equation. We get only the infinite solution for x, y, z. That is, here the number of variables is greater than the number of equations. We cannot get a unique solution. That is, we cannot get a single value for x, y and z. Okay, that is, here we substitute another variable. We substitute, assume z equal to t. Here we assume z equal to t. If z equal to t, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Equation 2 implies, put z equal to t in equation 2. This is y plus 3 by 5 z. Put z equal to t equal to 2 by 5. Listen, that is y equal to 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 t. That is, here the LCM, here the denominators are same, 5. So, 2 minus 3t divided by 5. Here we get the value of y. Y is 2 minus 3t by 5. Okay, and here z equal to t. Here y equal to 2 minus 3t by 5. Then put y equal to 2 minus 3t by 5 and z equal to t in equation 1 implies. Equation 1 implies, that is x plus 2y. Y is 2 minus 3t by 5. This is y plus z, that is plus t equal to 2. That is, I will write here. That is x plus, open the bracket, 2 into 2 by 5 is 4 by 5. Then open the bracket here, 2 minus 3 by 5t. That is minus 6t by 5 plus t equal to 2. That is x equal to, listen, here 2, then minus 4 by 5 plus this minus 60 by 5 to the right side plus 60 by 5. Then minus plus t to the right side we get minus t. That is x equal to, solve the constant part, 2 minus 4 by 5. So 10 minus 4 by 5, 6 by 5, and here 60 by 5 minus t. So here take the LCM, 5, that is 5t, 60 minus 5t is t by 5. That is, we get 6 plus t by 5. So here we get x equal to 6 plus t by 5, y equal to 2 minus 3t by 5, and z equal to t. Listen, here we substitute for t equal to 1. Substitute t equal to 1. X equal to, which implies x equal to 6 plus 1, 7 by 5. Y equal to 2 minus 3 into 1. Put t equal to 1. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 5 and z equal to 1. Then t equal to 2, t equal to 2, 6 plus 2 by 5, 8 by 5. And y equal to here 2 minus 2 into 3, 6. 2 minus 6 minus 4 by 5 and z equal to 2. And we substitute for t equal to 3, we get another set of values for x, y and z. Then we substitute t equal to 4, another set of values, x equal to y equal to z equal to. So, different values of t, we get different solutions for x, y and z. Different values. Means, here these are the values for x, y and z. For different values of t, we get the different solution. For different values for t, we get different solutions. Means we get infinite number of solutions. We get infinite number of solutions. That is, we get the solution, so system is consistent. Here infinite number of solutions means system has solutions. So system is inconsistent. System is, consistent. System is consistent. System is consistent. That is, here x equal to answer value in t, y in t, z also in t. So we substitute different values for t, we get different solution, different set of solutions. That is infinite number of solutions. So the system has infinite number of solution and the system is consistent.